Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. Today we're going to be making fried biscuits. Guys, they're going to be filled with a special filling. So I'll show you how to fill them and how to fry them. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, guys, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Now let's get busy. Okay guys, we're going to dive right in. First, you want to take 2 tablespoons of butter, more or less depending on how much filling you want. Melt it up. Make sure it's melted really good. Then we're going to use a squeeze bottle. Now you can grab one of these from the dollar store. Pour your melted butter in. After that, you want to take some honey and squeeze it in. How sweet you want it determines on how much you need. Give it a good shake. Make sure it's all mixed up. We're using Pillsbury Grands today, guys. Go ahead and pop the top and get those biscuits out. Now I'm not going to use the full can, but I am going to use about 6 of them. So I'm going to be using a smaller pot, but if you want to cook them all, you can just use a bigger pot. I'm going to do it in 2 batches. Separate your biscuits out and get your pot of oil nice and hot. Now you want about 2 or 3 inches of oil, vegetable, canola, sunflower, whatever oil you want to use. Make sure it's nice and hot and go ahead and put your biscuits in one by one. Now as you put them in, you want to make sure that they don't bump up against each other too much. Keep moving them around a little bit until they start to fry up, because if they are connected, they'll stay connected. So we don't want that. Now when they are done on one side, about 3 to 4 minutes, flip them over. Look at that golden side, guys. They are puffing up beautifully. Let them cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the second side until it's golden brown as well. Then we're going to take them out and drain them on our paper towels. They are just about ready to come out. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, look at how nice and fluffy that has risen up beautifully. And both sides is golden brown. Guys, you want to just sit them on paper towels and let them drain and get your next batch completed. Again, you want to make sure that your oil is nice and hot. So if you need to give it a minute to come back up to temp, please do so. All right, guys, go ahead and get your second batch in there. Guys, let me know down in the comments if you've gotten this far in the video. Do you think you'd like a fried biscuit? Oh my goodness. Now remember, we're using a honey butter to fill these with, but you can also use chocolate or a cream. Now that they're all done, let's go ahead and fill them. You want to take that squeeze bottle, poke it right on the sides and give it a good squeeze. Depending on how much filling you want is how far of a squeeze you're going to make. Then pick up the next one and do it again. Guys, you can fill as much as you want. You can do chocolate or cream in these as well. And I'll give you a little hint. You could fill a cupcake or anything else just this same way. Don't they look delicious? Oh my goodness, guys, yes. Now I like to dust mine with a little powdered sugar. You can also use cinnamon sugar if you like. Just sprinkle a little cinnamon sugar or dip them in a little cinnamon sugar. I like powdered sugar, so I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on. Guys, oh my goodness, we are all done, and don't they look amazing? Guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Guys, let me show you the inside of it. Now guys, see, you can see the honey butter on the inside, and guess what, guys? It goes all through the layers. Take a look. Ooh, doesn't that look good? If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And guys, do me a favor, share me out, share me out. I would love to see you all at the next video. So that being said, I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.